Okay, thank you. If everyone can hear my sound, so I will continue my presentation. So firstly, let me introduce what is palm vein recognition technology. So palm vein recognition technology is a contactless identification technology for biometrics in the future. So from this chart, we can clearly see that there are many biometric identification ways, including iris recognition, palm vein recognition, fingerprint recognition, palm print recognition, and facial recognition. So on the accuracy side, we can see like iris recognition will be the best. The palm vein recognition is just a little or smaller have the rates than the accuracy than the iris recognition. And for the easy to use side, so palm vein recognition is on the top side. So we can say like, the palm vein recognition is uh, recognition way among all the biometric recognition methods. Okay, this is how palm vein is working or how palm vein technology is secure and protect you. So firstly, from the very left image, we can see a picture for the visible hand palm. So, and then we will use the near field, a near infrared rays to have our new image under the near infrared. And then we will select the features of your palm vein to make a template to be the palm vein templates, and then you can recognize your hands during wave on the device. So we can see like the palm vein pattern or templates is a very secure or features organizing this kind of templates to protect you. Okay, there are 5 features for palm vein recognition technology. Firstly, we can see like security. Security is a top features of palm vein recognition technologies because they're with highest accuracy rate and also the highest FR rates and the FAR rates. So it is most safety way. And also reliability from your very old age, like 7, 8, until you're getting old, your palm vein is getting stable and never changed. So it's a reliability technology for palm vein recognition. And also privacy, because this palm vein template is not visible. It belongs to yourself. It's hygienic because it's totally touchless. It's not a touchable technologies. So we can say like this kind of hygienic technology as well, and the precision because right, almost like it's 100% accuracy. So even twins, even someone, even 2 men cannot have the same palm vein templates. It's a totally a precision technology. Okay, then firstly, secondly, let's move to the product introduction about the Palm 7, M7 Palm. Firstly, we use a top Anviz banana algorithm for this device, so we can realize the recognition time less than 0.5 seconds, and also the FAR rates and the FR rates both then recognition. And we adopt to multiple different kind of palm veins, no matter the color of a hand, no matter the shape you're doing the recognition, also no matter the ages, young or old, it can be broadcasting range of applicable. And also we strongly recommend in the areas, normally for the bank, data center, laboratory, airports, prison, government facilities, these kind of areas. These kind of areas normally will have the risks for normal fingerprint and facial recognition technologies. But for palm vein, we can avoid these kind of problems. So also for the US government and also the European government, they still very strongly recommend to use the palm vein technologies to replace the existing fingerprint recognition. But for commercial applications, the fingerprint and facial recognition can still be applied. For this device, we have some unique features. Firstly, we have smart distance measurement. We use the time of flight technologies. So we don't need to any stand to put your palm. So you can just put your palm in front of the screen. So the device will give you the indicating about the distance. So hint you nearer or farther to have the accurate recognition. And also this device with a multiple security guarantees. Not only the palm, but also the PIN code and also the RFID card are supported. And this device is a totally all-door application design. So with IP66, IK10, and also the PoE function. So with one LAN cable, RJ45 cable, you can realize both the power and also the data communication. About the software side and the application side, as you know, Anviz has two versions of cloud. Anviz of two versions of cross-check software. One we call the cross-check software, so it's mostly for the time attendance device. And as the M7 is a high-end access control terminal, so we recommend to use the cross-check standard. So because this software with a very highly time attendance, access control features, and can support up to 1,000 terminals. So M7 right now is used by cross-check standard. Okay, this diagram we recommend. So similar to other access control readers and terminals, M7 can realize two different kinds of installation. Firstly, it can be a standalone access controller to directly trigger the magnetic lock and also link the exit button. And also it can be linked to a third-party controller with a weekend out to be a distributed access control installation. So all the terminals will connect to a PoE router and then communication with our cross-check standard. So the communications are very simple, easily with high efficiency. Okay, this is some features of M7 Palm. So this terminal right now is supporting 500 users. So it can be used in mostly the SMB and enterprises environments, and also with the IP66 and also the IK10 vendor proof. So on the interface side, it has a reachable interface. Waken out, relay out, has the door contact, exit button, and doorbell as well. So the key button, we use our very classic 17 key buttons. Credential side supporting palm vein, RFID card, and PIN code. And the activity is so the speed is very fast. It's less than 0.5 seconds. Okay, the following will have a video to have a live demo. We can show how to register the new user and how fast the M7 is recognize your palm vein. So let's see. So here we're adding a new user right now. One user support two palms, one password, and one card. Put your palm in the middle, it will be quickly adjusted. Okay, this finished. You press OK to save your palm templates. Then we change another hand. Okay, finish. Let's see how fast it is working. Five times, 5 times for each hand. So response time very fast. No stuck. Change different angles, also flexible. Okay, that's a summary for this kind of M7 pump products. So firstly, is no assistant required. So compared to other pump vent technology or terminals, we can see like M7 pump vent don't no need a stand. So saving a lot of time to doing the recognition, especially for access control environment. And also it's adapt to outdoor, no matter it's any million frame or any outdoor environments. So M7 is adapt to them. Failures of clear, so it's a very safety and also, even the sunlight is no problem. So we can recognize a faster recognition. And also fewer constraints, because like if you are construction workers, if you're dirty off your hands, you can also be recognized by M7 Palm. So remember these 4 features. So we are on the top class of this industry for the biometrics. Okay, then everyone. So after these 2 sectors, let's move to the final sector. So on the commercial side, why you cooperate with that we follow. So firstly, as I introduced, M7 Palm is the leading technologies and also leading the next generation. There's a many fingerprint recognition terminals, facial recognition terminals on the market, especially after the COVID. So the fingerprint is touchable technologies is generally replaced by facial recognition technologies. But as the globally speaking, facial recognition technology is still facing some kind of problems on privacy, on data cybersecurity issues. So it widely used in commercial areas, but in some kind of high security areas, we still need this kind of palm vein recognition to increasing the security rates. So M7 palm is a good weapon for you to hitting these kind of environments, also with higher profit and less competition. So on the market, we can see like mostly this kind of products, the MSRP is around 2,000, 3,000 US dollars. So no competition, no so many competitors. So M7 Palm will be a good thing for you to have very higher profit margin. And also we have a large market opportunities. So in the next 5 years, palm vein technologies will have a 22.3 increasing rate. Compared to the facial recognition rate, it's only 16%. So also this is a large market. And also the volumes for sales revenue will be reached to 22 billions in next 5 years, US dollars for next 5 years. palm vein recognition, total sales revenue. Having directly sunlight will be no problem for it. We'll put a short video on our YouTube and our LinkedIn. Maybe you can check later. So, and also we'll push this kind of information to our social media.
Hi, Fabio. So yeah, hi. This is Peterson. So we are launching these products. We will sell this model through our regional distributors and also resellers, system integrators. So later you can contact your sales representative in Anviz for buying these products. Okay. Thank you for your question. Okay, no problem, no problem. So, you know the sales representative or sales manager you are contacting, right? Yeah, yeah. Naufa. Yeah, we are launching these products. So these products was not yet implemented in projects. So we are going to have some case study document as a good reference for our partner to win more projects. Okay. So that's something we are going to work on. That's a great idea. It's very important. Yeah, for Italy, we have some distributor right now. And for M7, the distributors are talking with us about this business opportunity. So once the distributor put stock and promote these products, we will let you know. But Fabio, you can send we will send you email later after this webinar and to present to share the information for the further partnership in Italy. Okay. How does that sound, Fabio? Yes, please. Okay, so anybody has some more questions? Okay, I will put, right now we are working with some distributors in Italy like Giusti, Secure Italy, and some other more. But this is a new model, and we are discussing about the partnership with the distributors. So we definitely believe we will have a bunch of great distributors distributing these products. Okay. Okay. Any further question? Okay, no problem. Thank you very much for your question, Fabio. Um, if if everybody was has no more further question, we will move to the next chapter.
Okay, everyone. So there's a final part about the lucky draw side. So today we have total 9 people to attend this webinar. So okay, let's do one thing. So I have a question for you, all of you. So if you know this question, you can put this kind of thing in the chat bar. Let's see who is the first one to get the correct answer for this question. So who will get this kind of lucky tips? So my question is, what the user capacity for M7 Palm? What's the user capacity for M7 Palm? So 3, 2, 1, start. Please answer this question to the web chat bar. So let's see who is the first. Okay, we got it. This no, congratulations.
Naufa.
Naufo. you are the first one who can get the correct answer. So we will contact you to how to you get this kind of gift after this webinar. Okay. Okay, thanks all of your coming. If you don't have any further questions, we will end this webinar and you can email us or find any way for us to getting more questions, and you can visit anviz.com to getting more information about M7 Palm. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day. Bye-bye.